So today I am doing the steering stabilizer. This is the old one. As you can see, it's bent, banged up. It's a little slanted, bent. Does not look right. Doesn't turn, it's not good anymore. So that one is gonna go over there. Got the new one right there. Whew. Oh. Been a long day. So I already got the bracket off. Well, the bracket's loose right here, as you can see right here. I got the bolt and everything out, the piston out of everything. So I used the compact gun and some other stuff. So biggest thing is getting everything aligned coming up. Like I said, tomorrow I get to go for an alignment. I'm doing this and the carrier bearing drop kit. Dude, these bugs gotta go. So I'm gonna go get the other one, put it on, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So definitely want to get it. Oh, that's great. Look at that U-bolt. The nuts loose. Wow, makes me wonder. Wow. Well, that might be why that's bouncing around. No bueno. That's fantastic. Hopefully the U-bolt's not bad, but it's right here. Let's see. I'm gonna go tighten that up. So all you guys do here for this is literally take out that bolt, that top bolt. The bolt itself over there is 15 and that is a 18. You reuse that, but you get the new stuff. And there's the instructions. They're pretty damn good compared to Rough Country's instructions. This is a Gabriel from AutoZone. So I'll do it before and after to see how it feels. It's probably gonna feel good. I gotta tighten up that one U-bolt still over there. I'm gonna go check everything, check all the U-bolts, check the shackles, make sure there's nothing popping out here, and then I'm gonna do that carrier bearing drop kit in the back, and then yeah, that's it then for today, guys. Ready? So that stabilizer is now on, and I like that tread. It's nice. So that is on, and yeah, so I'm going to do the carrier bearing drop kit now. So I am by the drive shaft. I got, oh, there we go. It's gonna be supported by that and by that, so it doesn't go too far, and then we drop it right there. So 2 bolts. All right, as you guys can see before, that is the black spacer right there, the black bar, new bolts. Right there it is. Boom. Yep. Alrighty guys, so that is it. That's all she wrote. And tomorrow I am doing the alignment, so I will maybe even record that in the morning and do a little kind of vlog / day in the life of Aaron at work. So I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned for more. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're not already. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Man, she looks so nice now. Wow. Big difference. And this is the 4-inch lift. Y'all have a great night.